How to add a video banner on Shopify with Autoplay. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll showcase step by step how to do so. First, you will need to just log into your Shopify store, go to online store themes, and then we just want to select this one, for example, and we want to click on the three dots right next to edit theme. Once you do that, we should be able to find edit code. Simply just click on that. And basically what we are going to be doing is adding a new section completely, and this section is going to be the video banner. So in order to add a new section, we just want to find the sections tab here. So just go ahead and click on it, make sure it is selected, and then once it's selected, we just want to create a new file. Just click on new file on the top, and you can feel free to name it whatever you want, but make it specific. So video banner. And make sure you do .liquid just like the other files that are in there. Hit enter. And now what you need to do is very simple. You just want to go down to the description. You should be able to find a code, and you basically just want to copy that code, come back here in the video banner.liquid and paste it in here. So once you actually paste in the code in here, you simply just want to save on the top right, and it should say that file saved on the bottom left. And that's pretty much what we need to do from this section. So we just want to go back to our Shopify store editor. Okay, so now from here, we simply just want to click on edit theme. We want to find where you actually want to add the video banner. So let's just say we want to add it here at the bottom. So just click on add section wherever you actually want it to be. Once you do that, you should be able to find video banner right away. If you don't, just simply search for video. On the top here, just search for video banner, and for some reason it's not searching for me. Either way, I can find it, but for you, just go and search for it, video banner, and you should be able to see it. Once you find it, just click on it, and it should actually appear here. It's going to be empty at first because we need to actually add a video to it. But if we click on it, we are going to find a bunch of options. So here we can actually just select a video from our desktop. So if you have any video that you want to upload, just click on select, upload the video, and you should be good to go. Or you can just use a URL to a .mp4 video, not a YouTube one. It's not going to work. And if you want to have a specific video for mobile, so it's going to be a little bit different from the desktop, you can also select one from here. Otherwise, it's just going to showcase the desktop one. Now, a cover image is basically for mobiles with battery saving mode. So if it's just not going to load or have autoplay off, it's just going to showcase this image instead. So just, making sure that everything still looks clean. Next up, you have the actual heading here, because it is a banner after all. So you can just feel free to write whatever you want. And you can even add some more text down here. You can feel free to change the color of the text. And you can even change the desktop height of the entire thing. So I'm just going to add this sample video. And as you can see, it's going to be on mute, and it is going to autoplay by itself. So it's just going to run around by itself. It's going to repeat, and it's going to be muted. So it's a proper video banner. So with that, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.